Just when you thought developers couldn't surprise you, here is a 2-bedroom gem located along the Eastern Bypass Kamakis, going for only 5.5 million Kenya shillings.
It's on your mind, girl, we're running out of time. And if you don't want something, why you
This building consists of 1 and 2 bedroom apartments with modern exterior and interior finishes. There's a very spacious parking and a well-lit stairway that leads us to the house that we'll be touring today. As you get into the house, you are met by the living room area, which I think is combined with the dining area. But as you can see, the space in this house is not that huge compared to other normal apartments where they have a different dining area and living area. But here we have a very spacious balcony where you can fit your washing machine. And like I said to you guys, this house is very perfect for people who would like to venture into Airbnb business, because the house is located strategically in a way where you can get visitors from JKIA. The kitchen is fitted with a very beautiful textured cabinets with marble countertops and a kitchen island. And I love the color in the kitchen and the fact that there are enough storage spaces for the kitchen. On our right, the first room is the washroom or the bathroom area. This is the common bathroom area, which has very beautiful finishes. The tap, the towel holder, the sink, everything looks beautiful and modern. And now let's head straight into the master bedroom, which as you can see gets lots and lots of natural lighting due to the fact that there is a very, very huge window right there. This bedroom also has a very spacious wardrobe, and it's a master ensuite. It's an ensuite room, so there's a similar washroom area like the one that we have just seen. Very modern and beautiful finishes.
There's something you're not telling me. Say what's on your mind, girl, we're running out of time. And if you don't want something, why you entertaining me? You're bringing out a side of me I didn't know was alive. Say you don't wanna be in love, funny, I don't even want.
Let's now get into the second bedroom of this house, where you can see that they have utilized space in a very special and unique way. Also, you can see that the window is quite huge, allowing for enough natural lighting. So this is the closet door. They have utilized space by using the sliding doors instead of the normal doors, the way the normal doors used to open, like in the master bedroom. So in this closet we also have a very, very huge amount of space. You also have that section there where you can put maybe your shoes or accessories. So guys, that's the end of our tour for today. I hope you liked this house, and I will request you guys to comment what you think about it, because this is not the normal looking apartment for sale that we usually see, right? Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and bye.